We will be showing you how you can find your iPhone passwords in the newest iOS 18 software update. In the previous versions of iOS, you could open your settings, scroll a little bit down, and that's where the passwords section was, and you could find all of your iPhone passwords which you would use for different websites, but it's a little bit different now. In iOS 18, you want to exit the Settings app, because the passwords aren't there anymore. They have been moved to a new Passwords application, which Apple has introduced. So once you install iOS 18 and update your iPhone to the latest software, you will have this Passwords application somewhere on your iPhone's home screen. But if for some reason you don't have it or you don't see it, then you want to go over to your App Store, type Passwords, and you will find this application, so just download it. Once I open this app, it's going to look something like this, and this app stores all of the different passwords which I have on my iPhone. We have the All Passwords, which is going to show me the passwords which I use in Safari for different websites, in applications, and so on. Another thing that we can see are the Wi-Fi passwords for the networks which we're connected to, and this is pretty useful if you forget your Wi-Fi password regularly. Also, you'll have the passkeys, codes, and many other things in the new Passwords app, so just open it and enjoy. If you need more similar iOS 18 tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you subscribe to AppTutor, and I will see you in the next video.